Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am preparing chicken maharani, a rich royal style chicken curry made with aromatic spices, cashews and yogurt. Heat 1/4 cup oil in a pan. Add half cup onion and 2 bay leaves. Bay leaves add subtle royal fragrance. Roast until the onion turns lightly brown. Add 500 grams chicken. Maharani style curries are known for rich texture. 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 teaspoon salt. Stir on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. In a blender, add 1/4 cup curd, 7 to 8 soaked cashew nuts, and 2 green chilies. Blend smooth and keep aside. Cashews gives natural creaminess without cream. In another pan, add 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon sauve, 3 cardamom, 1 inch mace, and 3 dried red chilies. Roast on low heat for 1 minute. Roast spices on low heat to avoid bitterness. Now blend into a fine masala powder. Add the blended nut and yogurt mixture to the chicken. Now add the blended roasted masala. Roasted whole spices enhance aroma deeply. Pour 1 cup water. Adjust water for preferred gravy thickness. Cover and cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the gravy thickens. Finish with half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, fresh green chili and coriander leaves. Cook chicken covered for tenderness. Chicken provides high quality protein. Cashews add healthy fats and minerals. Serve hot. Yogurt aids digestion and flavor balance. Homemade curry avoids artificial additives. Your chicken maharani is rich, aromatic and truly restaurant style. Serve it hot with rice, naan or paratha. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Enoven Foods for more royal and classic chicken dishes.